One of the biggest requests I get from you guys is to show you an affordable skincare routine, and I realized Walmart has great options for every skincare budget. So today I'm gonna show you a morning skincare routine. For this video, I went ahead and partnered with Walmart to show you a personalized morning skincare routine. And when I say personalized, I'm pregnant right now, so I'm dealing with dry skin, a little bit of melasma, especially in this area, and my skin is a little bit more sensitive. So I went with some really basic skincare products that will work well for anybody. Right now, Walmart has a really cool campaign that's called Here for Every Beauty, and it's basically to point out that they have options in beauty for everyone's skincare and beauty needs, which I really love because it's very inclusive. So the first step is obviously cleansing my skin, but I always keep in mind that at night I double cleanse, so I want something that's really straightforward in the morning. Something like this from Cetaphil is perfect. It's always in our shower. My husband loves to use it. It's always dermatologist recommended because it won't irritate your skin. It doesn't strip it, which is one of the things that I look for in every cleanser. I've noticed a lot of people have mentioned that there isn't the perfect pH level of this cleanser, but I'm gonna do so many other steps in my skincare routine after this that it doesn't really matter to me. To me, what matters most is that this doesn't make my skin feel really tight after I've cleansed my skin. The next step in my morning skincare routine almost always has a glycolic acid toner, and that's because I love to exfoliate in the morning. A lot of you have mentioned that glycolic acid in the morning might make your skin too sensitive to the sun, but I always point out to people that even if you used it at night, your skin would still be really sensitive to the sun in the morning, so it doesn't really matter, and I like to separate it out from my other actives that I use at night. So I always go with something like this. It's by Derma E. It's their Radiance Toner. Like I said, it has glycolic acid. It's a chemical exfoliator that will really get your skin smooth, prep it for your next skincare products. And what I also love is that my makeup goes on really smooth, and that's one of the reasons why I like to exfoliate my skin in the morning. Another really big bonus with this one is that it's alcohol free. I'm a little bit in the middle about how I feel about different alcohol ingredients in your skincare products. I sometimes think it depends on where it is that you live, but I'm in Los Angeles. It's not very humid here. I don't need something that's going to dry on my skin quickly. So this one is alcohol free, and I really like that. It also has other fun ingredients like rooibos in it that helps to soothe your skin, and that's a nice touch when you're using something like a chemical exfoliator. I use this every single morning, but you can also work your way up. Start with once or twice a week and then go every other day until you're able to use it every single day. All you have to do is put it on a cotton pad, gently swipe it over your skin, and then you're ready for your next product. One thing I will point out about this though, if you have sensitive skin, it does have natural fragrance oils, which can be irritating to the skin, so just keep that in mind. The next step is a simple toner like this one from Instant Natural. It's their organic rose water. You know, one of the things about toners is that a lot of them have alcohol in them, and so it feels like they're working because they're making your skin feel tight and tingly, but what you really want is something that's just going to soothe your skin. I like using it after a chemical exfoliator like that because it deactivates what's happening to your skin, so you can kind of control how much exfoliation you're getting on your skin, and then it starts to prep your skin for that next skincare product. And this is where it really starts to balance that pH level of your skin as well, and that's why I don't really worry about it too much with my cleanser, because I know that I'm going to use something really straightforward like this. This is purely rose petal water, so there's nothing else happening in it, so you really just get that straightforward, soothing, and you move on to your next product. And there are two ways you can use toner like this. I like to just simply spray it onto my skin, and I actually let it just dry on its own because by the time I get to the next skincare product, my skin is still damp. But you can also use it on a cotton pad if you want to and just press it onto your skin. If you guys watch my YouTube channel, you know I love a good vitamin C serum, but you're always asking for a more affordable option, so I decided to give this one a try. It's by e.l.f. It's their Beauty Shield. It has vitamin C in it, but it also has vitamin E and pomegranate extract, and what those are added antioxidants, which help your skin, but also help the vitamin C from oxidizing, which is always one of the big issues about vitamin C. I haven't really used this one long enough to know if it works well, but it had such amazing reviews on Walmart.com. I decided to give it a try. I like the way it feels so far. It feels kind of like a really nice humectant, and it absorbs into your skin quickly. You just need a couple of drops, pat it into your skin, and you're ready. Because this is a morning routine, I actually do use an eye cream, and I love this one from CeraVe. CeraVe is just a really great brand when it comes to moisturization, so I love their eye cream. You'll see I use their moisturizer also. I love this one because it has 3 different ceramides, which really hydrate your skin. It also has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's gonna work really well to give you that added moisture that you need in the eye area. Your eye area doesn't really have the oil glands to help it stay hydrated, and when you're wearing a lot of makeup, which is why I use an eye cream in the morning, morning, you really want to make sure that you're getting that moisturization there, because your makeup will settle into your wrinkles, especially if you're my age and you start to get crow's feet and stuff, or anytime that you're like, if you're a smiley person, you'll notice that as you go about the day, if you don't moisturize that area, your makeup will really settle into those lines and make them stand out. So I love a really nice eye cream. I always like to do it before my moisturizer because I treat my moisturizer kind of like that last step to really pack everything in and make sure that it really protects my skin. So I like to put an eye cream first, but it doesn't truly matter because you're really gonna focus in this area anyway, and then the moisturizer will go on to all the rest of your face. And always with an eye cream, remember, use your ring finger just because it's a really gentle finger. I make sure to just pat it into my orbital bone all the way around my eye because you don't wanna get it directly onto your eyelid skin because it's gonna transfer down anyway. Next up in my morning skincare routine is moisturizer. I love this one from CeraVides. Just like the eye cream, it has 3 different ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and it's fragrance free. So if you watch my drugstore skincare video, you know that I actually really love this product. It sits in my guest bathroom all the time because I know it's going to work for everyone who's visiting. So if they ever need a moisturizer, I recommend this one. I use it on my face. You can use it on your hands and on your body. It's not gonna irritate your skin, and that's what I really love about this, but it also does exactly what I want a moisturizer to do, and that's moisturize and protect your skin. Because I feel like when people tell me they skip moisturizer, they're usually saying they skip it because it doesn't feel right on their skin or it's not doing what they want it to do. If you use the right moisturizer like this one, it's going to be perfect for your skin, especially if you wear makeup. You want to make sure that you're really protecting your skin. Last, I feel like all morning skincare routines have to have an SPF. It's one of the most essential parts of your morning skincare routine, especially if you're using a glycolic acid or a vitamin C. They go hand in hand. You want to really protect that new, fresh skin. Plus, vitamin C works really well with SPF because it's fighting off the free radicals while the SPF is fighting off the UV rays. So it's just the perfect combination. And you know what? Anti-aging really comes down to your SPF. I really like this one from Image Skincare. It's probably the most expensive product in this entire routine because it's about $24, but it's still great. It's tinted, it's oil-free, but it's still a moisturizer. And for me, again, I have pregnant dry skin. My skin's not usually this dry when I'm not pregnant, but it's really dry right now. So I want that extra moisturization, but because I know I'm gonna wear makeup and because I have the CeraVe moisturizer on already, I always wanna make sure I'm not using something that's gonna feel too heavy. So this one dries down matte, but it still feels like it's adding a little more moisturization while giving me that base tint. It's also great if you don't want to wear too much makeup and you just want to have this as your base tint. I love the way this color looks on my skin. It blends very, very well, and it just gives you that protection that you need. Another thing that I like about this sunscreen is that it's a mineral sunscreen, but because it's tinted, I feel like a lot more people can use it. And last, I just always make sure I moisturize my lips because you don't want to miss that area either. This is Aquaphor. Aquaphor is always a go-to in my household. This one just happens to be broad spectrum SPF 30, which is great during the day because you want to also protect your lips. And since I'm using a tinted SPF, I don't really want to put it on my lips, so this works really great to protect my skin. So that's my affordable morning skincare routine from Walmart. I feel like if you go to walmart.com or even just step into the stores, you'll really find a great selection that will fit your needs. Even if you like to be a skincare snob, I know you guys call me that sometimes, you can find some great products. There's even like La Mer, which I was really surprised to see, but I also love seeing that there were a lot of, really great cosmeceutical products, even brands that you find in doctor's offices like Obagi, and then all these affordable ones that are really great, and you get to read the reviews, which is always a big deal for me. I like to take it with a grain of salt because you don't know who's writing these reviews and you don't know what kind of skin type they necessarily have, but it's always nice when you see a ton of reviews that give it a glowing, 5-star rating, or if it just says, nah, don't buy this product, because it really helps inform you for your buying decisions when it comes to skincare. So go to walmart.com, you can find all of these products. I'll leave links below in the description box, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.